Dad?
Enough other presents.
Oh, it's a birthday card.
Oh, can you take it off for me? Another.
Winnie the Pooh. Bedtime favorite.
Wow, we could read that tonight.
Yeah.
It's a bedtime storybook.
Let's see what it says.
Okay, you love books, don't you? Can you say thank you, Daddy and Jennifer?
Thank you, Daddy and Jennifer.
Here's your card.
Oh, thanks.
And looky what was in it.
It cost $3.
$5.
$5.
So you can go to Walmart.
Oh.
See that face? Look at the camera and say thank you.
Thank you.
You want to blow him a kiss and say goodbye?
Goodbye.
I'll read the cards, guys, in a little bit. Love you. Bye.